Hello, welcome to our video presentation. Today we will be presenting about Westpac Bank Financial Institution and its CSR initiative, recent uses, and adaptation of accounting theories in relation to their current issues. Westpac Bank is one of the oldest banks of the country, providing both financial and non-financial services, which was established in 1817. It has a total 14 million customers and responsible to a large number of stakeholders. It tends to maintain a strong relationship with them by building competitive market and focusing on organic growth. CSR or corporate social responsibility refers to the business organization responsibility towards its society. It is generally termed as a way of giving back a certain portion of its profit for the welfare of its society. A theoretical analysis has been done and its impact and effectiveness in adopting integrated theory has been found out. Individual or public can be directly benefited through the adaptation of CSR in any business organization in terms of social, economic, and environment. Westpac has been maintaining a good CSR and awarded as a sustainable bank of 2017 as categorized in Dow Jones Sustainability Index. The recent news published in context of Westpac is losing the faith of its stakeholders. Along with the market share coverage, it is due to the bad debts and overdue in collection of loan repayment. There has been a negative impact on cash flows and liquidity, which resulted into the loss of $3.2 billion and decrease in 24% in profit. The insufficient cash or liquidity further decrease in profit by 4%, which is around $14.5 billion. It has been planning and implementing various strategies in order to track down debts overdue more than 90 days. Apart from that, cost-cutting approach has been taken down by the bank. There is a direct relationship between the news and the CSR initiative taken down by the bank. The bank is trying to understand the financial ups and downs of its customers. The evidence itself is a cost-cutting approach taken down by the bank, which resulted into the loss of the employee's job. However, this approach might also increase the chances of further bad debts. The bank is planning to apply these strict rules to ensure the collection of loan on time, which increases the profit level and efficient cash flow. Doing this, the issue of maintaining the CSR will increase, which has brought the bank into a difficult scenario. However, the bank is adopting the strict rules in terms of maintaining. Westpac has been always positive in rendering loan to its customers and is trying to keep its loyal customers in the priority. But due to the excessive increment of the cost, it is trying to reduce it by cutting off the number of the staff. So in order to tackle the current situation of the bank, the theory of legitimacy and theory of institution has been acquired. By doing this, the bank has been able to save $400 million in a year, giving a hope in a competitive market. Thus, the theory of integration has truly helped the bank in order to cope up in the market. Integrated reporting is an important communication about how a business institution's strategy, governance, performance, and anticipation direct to the value creation over the period of time. It acknowledges the performance representation of the company in terms of financial and other value. It assists in accomplishing sustainability and financial reporting. It aids in analyzing the procedures of performance to increase in value creating. It explains the primary purpose of business creating values over different period of time and existing capital. The expectation regarding to the financial condition of the firm will be explained by the report. The benefit of integrated reporting is it gives a full set of standards to integrate the existing legacy to management application in current situation as well as in future, but Westpac can be seen to be unsuccessful to retain its employee in the aspects of cost saving. It is strongly evaluated from the framework that the Westpac has a problem to be aware of the interests of the stakeholder as raised in the news story. The company needs to put some extra section of information in the financial reporting framework, which will help the business users to acknowledge more about the commercial condition or situation of the company. The following are the recommendations. The bank should always focus on the interests of the stakeholder in order to run the business organization smoothly and successfully. All the activities of the company should be done according to the accounting theories and conceptual framework should be initiated clearly so that it can work on the right part of the business success. In conclusion, Westpac should follow the integrated reporting framework and accounting theory in order to sustain the company in the competitive market. It should also acknowledge the various positive aspects and impact of CSR initiative. The standard adopted by the CSR might be according to the different accounting theories to undergo the company in long term. Thank you.